Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to take a close look at a very interesting platform I found recently. It is called Story Navigation, and you can find it at story-navigation.com/n/. As you can see here on my screen, I've already opened the English version of the site. First impressions? The design is very clean and professional. The layout is simple, which makes it very easy for any user to navigate without getting lost. Pause for 5 seconds while scrolling. Now, let's explore what this site is all about. Story Navigation seems to focus on providing a structured and narrative approach to information. Whether you are looking for specific content or just browsing through the categories, the site makes the journey very smooth. I'm clicking through some of the sections now. Action. Click on a menu item. You can see how fast the pages load. This is a huge plus because nobody likes waiting for a slow website. The text is clear, the colors are easy on the eyes, and the overall user experience feels very high quality. Pause and move the mouse around the features. One thing I really appreciate is how organized the information is. In a world where we are overwhelmed with data, having a site like Story Navigation helps us find exactly what we need in a logical way. It's perfect for people who value their time and want a reliable source for their navigation needs. I've spent some time exploring different links on the site, and I can say that everything works perfectly. There are no broken links, and the English translation is very accurate and easy to follow for a global audience. Pause for 10 seconds while showing the bottom of the page. To wrap this up, if you are looking for a platform that combines great design with practical utility, I highly recommend checking out Story Navigation. It's definitely worth a visit to see all the features for yourself. I have placed the official link, https://story-navigation.com/n/, in the description of this video. It is a clickable link, so you can just click it and it will take you straight to the homepage. If for any reason you can't click it in the description, I will also leave it in the pinned comment below. Make sure the video is set to public so everyone can see this review. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to visit the site. See you in the next one.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.